What are some tips to reduce the battery drain on my Oculus Quest 2?
Hello, everyone. Today we're discussing an essential topic that affects all Oculus Quest 2 users out there: how to reduce battery drain. We'll walk through some proven tips and tricks to help you extend the battery life of your device, ensuring your virtual reality experiences aren't cut short.
What causes rapid battery drain?
Firstly, let's understand what causes rapid battery drain in the Oculus Quest 2. There can be multiple factors, such as excessive brightness, prolonged gaming sessions, background processes, and unnecessary active features. By addressing these, we can more effectively manage the battery life of our device.
Lower the brightness.
One of the simplest steps to conserve battery is lowering the device's brightness. The brighter the display, the more power it consumes. Go to your device settings and adjust the brightness level to a comfortable but less power-intensive setting.
Manage your Wi-Fi.
When you're not using the internet on your device, turn off the Wi-Fi. It's a small step, but it helps conserve battery as the device is not constantly seeking a network connection.
Control your play sessions.
Next, control the length of your play sessions. Extensive and continuous usage can drain the battery quickly. Taking short breaks between long gaming sessions not only helps your device but also provides a needed rest for your eyes.
Shut down background applications.
Ensure you close any unnecessary applications running in the background. These apps can slowly sap your battery power without you realizing it. Regularly check your active apps and shut down the ones you aren't using.
Use power saving mode.
Lastly, use the power saving mode when available. This mode optimizes your device's power usage and can extend the battery life significantly when you're not actively using the device. Remember, every device is a bit different, and what works best for one may not work as well for another. Experiment with these tips and see what combination extends your Oculus Quest 2's battery life the most. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips help you enjoy longer and more immersive VR sessions. Stay charged and keep exploring those virtual worlds.